Kia ora. Ko Kapowairua Waitai tōku ingoa, te kaimawhiti tōku pakeke, he kai Waiata au no te taitoke rau. Nuku nuku whānau! My main goal is just to write music that I've written and fully compose. Release as much Waiata as I can, just release. Ka pai. I really want to pet them, but I've got pecked in the head before. Ooh, we got 3 eggs, whānau! They're warm.
Baba, have you got everything ready for today?
Yes, I think so. A little bit nervous, but I reckon I got it. I hope to, definitely make a connection, you know, and hopefully finish the Waiata.
I reckon, especially places out here, man, and even all the way down to Hawaii and stuff, there's just not that many options when it comes to writing top lines or even just getting production tips or things like that. It doesn't matter where you come from, like music's universal, you can speak it a million different ways. To mentor someone with the passion that I have for music is, yeah, it's always going to be cool. I guess it'll just be the meeting and seeing what we can uncover together.
Tōku māma, ko ia taku tino taituara. Ko ia te tangata I whakatō I ēnei wawata, I ēnei pūmanawa.
I hope that by them coming together that they get to just like bring the uniqueness of what they have together into this piece of work. Still try to be genuine, still tell those real cool, you know, Haukainga stories.
Ka hoki aku mahara, kia hau e pēpi ana, I timata aku whaia, aku karanga whaia, aku karanga matua, hanga rata I te rōpū kapahaka o Muriwhenua. Ko au te pēpi tuatahi o te rōpū o Muriwhenua. Tipu ake au ki roto I era momo āhuatanga o te kapahaka. Tino hakapuaki aku pūmanawa ki te kapahaka me te Waiata.
Go! Kia ora!
Nice to meet you.
Kapo, my tuakana Maria, mama, and my papa. Owner of the house.
Mean, beautiful home. As soon as I was there, I was like a part of the family kind of vibes. Kai was cooking, family was lovely, everyone was nice, cup of teas.
My sissy and I, we made up this Waiata, really wanting to get some tips and input from you, of course.
Yo.
Ko te kaupapa o tōku Waiata, e kōrero e pāna ki tōku kāinga, ko Muriwhenua, te hiku o te ika. There's water surrounded everywhere. You're literally at the end of the land. And as someone from that area, you know, you're just appreciating it.
Like a sense of home or something?
Yeah. And sort of like a whakamana, hakarahi ake te mana o te iwi, engari, more so just like appreciating it as an individual as well. Yeah. I'm super excited to work together.
Yeah, I'm excited to break down the song.
Yeah, hānau, that's us.
Yeah.
Cool.
Jam it.
So I was thinking, ko taku tuahine, kei te kura e ako ana ia pēhea te hanga Waiata. I reira ia te awhi ia hau. Anō hoki ki te tiki pukenga mai kings.
For me, I just speak unfiltered and then let it land. But producing is sometimes taking away more than it is adding.
Yeah.
It's probably more that, to be honest.
Yeah. I kōrero mai ia e pāna ki te rerekētanga o te whakaaro nui me te whakaaro itine. Mena ka aro pū koe ki te kaupapa. Ka rere te mahi. Taking you back to me.
Can you sing your line over top of us?
Tiro hea ki ngā tai e papa ki nei ko te moana o re hua.
Her voice is amazing. Just off the box as well. When we started doing the session, I was like, you want to warm up? She's like, nah. And just killed it. That's our home.
Yeah.
We start there and then we build around that.
Tino pai te kōrero e pāna ki I ngā momo raupapa kia hakaiti hakarahi ake hoki I ngā hakaro. mō te tutuki mahi Waiata. Mihi ana ki ara tau makua takahi ara te. Tere atu ki ngā tai o whitireia te puta.
Add a little bit of a delay, so it sounds like it's called a slapback. But I think that's just for now, eh?
Yeah, that sounds cool as already.
What have you guys got me doing here? Oh, stop! That's great.
So ko tai mai mātou ki te orero ātohe. We're going to have a bit of a throw into our moana here, ko karirikura te moana. We're just going to see how good our rose casting is today, te whānau.
Just watch.
Oh, watch and learn.
Got you. Yep.
Yeah, nice.
I think the thing that stood out to me most is the family
Really?
and how strong they are up there.
Oh, it's catching it.
Yes!
Over here.
Yes! No.
Yeah, man, push.
It's got to be her confidence, and also that comes from, I think, knowing who she is. The connection she has with just the land and the people is a remarkable skill at that age. My daughter's actually Kapo's age, or 1 year younger, and so I see a lot of what I'd love my daughter to learn in Kapo. She's ready to go. Like, I reckon she'll hit a stage and just kill it.
Nei ngā mihi wai Māori o haunei ki a kings, ki tōku whānau, tōku kāinga, kua tautoko ia hau me tēnei kaupapa te tutuki, te hanga i tōku Waiata tuatahi. Ai.